In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table on Google Sites. If you want to display structured information on your website, adding a table can be a really useful option. In Google Sites, one simple way to do this is by embedding table code directly into your page. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along and get it done without any confusion. To begin, open your Google site and go to the page where you want the table to appear. Make sure you are in editing mode so you can add new content to the page. It's a good idea to decide in advance where the table should go, especially if you already have text, images, or other sections on the page. That way, the layout stays clean and easy to read. Once you're on the correct page, look over to the Insert options and click Embed. This tool allows you to place outside content or custom code directly into your Google site. Since tables are often added using embed code, this is the option you'll need for this method. After the embed window opens, click on Embed Code. This is the section where you can paste the code for the table you want to display. If you already prepared your table code beforehand, you're ready for the next step. If not, make sure the code is complete and properly formatted before inserting it, because that will affect how the table appears on the page. Now paste your code into the provided field. Take a moment to check that everything is copied correctly. Even a small formatting issue in embedded code can sometimes change the way content is displayed, so it's worth quickly reviewing it before moving on. Next, click Next. This lets Google Sites preview the embedded content so you can confirm that the table is being recognized correctly. If the preview looks right, that's a good sign that your code has been pasted successfully and is ready to be added to the page. Finally, click Insert. Your table will now be placed onto the Google site page. From there, you can usually reposition it within the layout and make sure it fits nicely with the rest of your content. Before publishing, it's always smart to review the page and check that the table is visible, readable, and aligned the way you want. And that's it. That's how to add a table on Google Sites using embed code. Once you've inserted it, you can continue editing the rest of your page and publish when everything looks good.